The finished look speaks for itself. It has the look of real stone.
Many of our neighbors have come by and said what a great addition to the home. So thank you, GenStone, for a project that we're very happy with and all the assistance you gave us.
I just absolutely fell in love with how easy this project is to use. I got nothing but kudos out to GenStone for making this project so fun.